When I shared a video about using Vietnamese rice paper to make steamed rice rolls, some people wondered why I soaked the paper for 5 to 10 minutes before making the rolls because that seemed way too long. The answer is that the soaking time depends on what kind of roll you want to make. If you're making fresh Vietnamese-style spring rolls that are ready to eat as soon as they're rolled up, you only need to dip the rice paper in water for a few seconds. This quick dip preserves the elasticity of the paper so that you can wrap it around the filling tightly and create a nice seal. The rice paper will have a chewy texture and the rolls will stick together pretty easily. Even if you steamed these rolls, the paper will still have a very chewy texture. However, if you want to use the rice paper to mimic steamed rice rolls like bánh cuốn, then you need to soak the paper for at least 5 minutes to rehydrate the paper thoroughly. The longer soak softens the paper and makes it more plush, but you won't be able to seal the filling tightly. That said, the longer you let the paper soak, the more likely it will rip. At the 10-minute mark, holes may appear, but they should be covered up once you roll up everything. I actually prefer using 2 sheets for a roll because the rolls are thicker and more plush. After 15 minutes of soaking, you can see how my papers fell apart easily. So I don't soak more than 6 to 8 sheets at a time with room temp water, and I start shaping the rolls at about the 5-minute mark. I hope you found this rice paper deep dive helpful.